automation, technology, consistency, efficiency, precision, performance. Mereen-Johnson, with over 120 years of industrial machine design experience, complemented by today's advanced automation principles, delivers durable and reliable machinery and robotic solutions that add to your bottom line. Through advanced technology solutions, we apply defined specifications, bringing customer dreams to life regardless of tolerance demands, standards of quality, or volume requirements. When being able to consistently replicate perfection is the key to success, trust the experts at Mereen-Johnson. With decades of experience, our professional design and engineering teams thrive on meeting and exceeding the most challenging client specifications. Mereen-Johnson's in-house capabilities range from motor manufacturing to automated machining and advanced controls engineering. These capabilities allow us to meet the highest quality control standards while at the same time achieving project deadlines and customer budgetary requirements. When robotics is needed to achieve success, our expertise expands our capacity to solve customers' problems. At Mereen-Johnson, one of the primary goals of our automated solutions is to provide accurate results time after time. From the barcode-defined assignment of an order to precise alignment of the product cutting and finishing, we don't just set industry standards for precision, we blow them away. Mereen-Johnson has taken 120 years of engineering excellence and applied today's advanced robotic technology to provide efficiency to manufacturing processes. We provide the marketplace with consistent automated performance, meeting the most challenging client specifications while improving bottom-line performance and safety requirements. When you are seeking a solution that will meet or exceed your manufacturing goals, turn to Mereen-Johnson, the company that programs, designs, and implements precision automated robotics machinery.